Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. Hope you are doing great. In this video, we are going to see how we can give receipt to the customer when we receive the payment. So just have a look. So from the status report, all party list, you can filter on loan or deposit. So for example, let's say loan. I will click to one loan number. So here you can see if I go to the transaction, just click to the transaction. Here on 6 June, I have received one payment. So I will click on this hyperlink and you can see the receipt. This receipt is with the customer name, account number, the due date, received amount, all the details you can check from here. And you can click on the print option, and here as per your convenience you can edit this, and you can save as a PDF or you can print this. So here you can see all the details and you can send to the customer through the email or WhatsApp or SMS. So this type loan receipt we can send. And let's check for deposit. So I will go to the status report, all party list, and let's filter for deposit. So here you can see RD1. So let's say by cash I will receive 3000 from here. Now let's go to the transaction and click on the 6th June. So here below you can check this receipt is coming. So I will click to the print option and I will save this as a PDF in my system. So here in a download documents, I will save this as a receipt and click the save. And you can take a printout of this as well. You can use a small printer, and this your employee can go in the field and he can use mobile and give print to the customer as above mentioned. So here if I go here, I will show you. We have a website here in www.jainamsoftware.com, and we have different blogs here that you can read. So for example, so here you can see I will select one blog which I have created here. So for example, let's say upload customer. Here just scroll down. How to add comment, how to use edit customer, how long this trial version, how can agent collection. So here you can see agent collection. So I have added here. You can see here one receipt here and printer. So you can bring a small printer and your staff can give receipt in the field also. So this type we can manage our business easily in Jainam software. So thank you friends for watching this video and have a great day.